Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the place for unboxing, haul, products review and more. In this video today you are going to enjoy my first Louis Vuitton bag unboxing. So this bag I got it from myself to myself as a gift for my birthday. You're also gonna find out why I got this specific bag, why I choose this specific size, and my first impression. Just a little detail or disclaimer, I don't know how to call it, but I have never seen this bag in person at all, not even once. What made me get this bag? I purchased a small leather good a month ago, I would say. I had to return it because I found some problem that I wasn't happy about it, and during that time that I saw the problem and I had to return it, it made me think of the price of how much that little small leather good cost and how much I could put together just to buy this bag that I'm gonna show you today, guys. So also this is a classic to that kind of like influence on me to purchase a bigger bag because it made me consider it more and give it more value to that money, and I want to spend it in a bigger bag. So I returned this item and I just add the rest of the amount that I need to complete to buy the bigger bag, and I purchased this bag. So I have it right here. Also, I just want to share with you guys too that like I said before, this is my first Louis Vuitton bag. I really didn't consider it too much a bag because they was very pricey. They actually very pricey, but considering how much the small leather good cost today, I'm very happy that still Louis Vuitton have bags like this that are considerable affordable for you to purchase and take more advantage and get more for your money. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox it and then we're gonna keep talking about. So here it is. Woo, I'm really surprised of that it come all nice wrap with the ribbon and everything. The ribbon look a little bit loose, but I mean it's okay. I really appreciate and grateful that they took the time to wrap it. I don't know. So, but I really like this look. Very, very nice. So I went to the store and I had to order because they didn't have it at that store in specific, so they ordered and sent it home. Okay. Something else that made me get this bag is because it's made from the iconic monogram canvas and it's elegant, it's compact. Okay, so I think it looks very chic and very nice. A full look with this is just very, very pretty. It's also very stylish for everyday look, and also for like city life, for that very busy life, and it made you look very nice with a flawless look. It is a timeless house icon piece, so that's one of the reasons too that made me choose this bag as my first Louis Vuitton bag. You know, I would like to that's why I got it, because it's a timeless piece. So, and the price is very amazing for what is everything going on like right now in Louis Vuitton. All the prices increases and all the little things. So let's open it. Gonna just remove this. So okay, we have this awesome beautiful bags right here. The bags is in a perfect condition. I'm very excited, guys. I'm very, very, very excited. I went crazy with this one. I just crazy with this one. So this is the bag right here. I'm super excited. So you guys ready? Is the Speedy 30 monogram canvas. So let me, woo! Look at this guy. And another reason I choose this bag is the price. I mentioned the price, okay? It's the one with the strap is like literally $600 more, which is crazy. It's very, very pricey comparing with the one that don't have the strap, which is this one, and I think it look very chic. So I was looking at the Alma BB that hopefully it will be my next purchase. I really, really want that bag too. I'm working toward and saving some money for that one. So I see that the Alma BB, the strap is like from here to here. Okay, so I'm like, why am I gonna pay so much money? I already had a strap. Why am I gonna pay so much money for something just because it have the access for the strap? I can just, you know, add the strap myself and put it right here. Let me check. Very good. Oh, I don't know, this is weird. Over here, guys, I don't know if you guys can see over here how the line is out of place a little bit. I don't know if it's normal or supposed to be straight, because I don't know, like over here, look, you just go like this and then bump like that and then go back here. So I don't know, it's a tiny detail, but I guess the rest is very nice. It's normal. Wow, I just love it. I just literally love it. So I had to make sure that everything is very good, which I do it behind camera. I love, love, love this bag. I just love it. I just love it. So let me see where it made. Say Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. So this one in specific is made in France, which is very nice because I saw other videos that they have the Speedy 30 or 25 and they all make one of them. It was made in USA. And this one is so pretty. It's so pretty, pretty, pretty in person. I just really, really in love with it. So the size is just beautiful. It's just perfect. And why I choose this size, and you had to hear this part, okay? In my mind, I always have the size 25. I keep saying to myself, I love the 25, I love how it looks, I really want the 25. So if you think about it, or if you pay attention to the price, the 25 compared with the 30 is only $20 difference, okay? So for that difference, you get only $20 difference, but you get a big bag. It's different in size. I mean, it's not huge different, but it's a big difference between the 25 and the 30. So I went to the store expecting to see the bag in person, but they have the other one, the brown one, the one that had the square, the dark brown square. I forgot the name of that. I'm gonna put it right here. So they had that one in 25 and 30. Soon the lady was walking with those bags because another customer was trying on. So she put in the counter. I knew right away that I didn't want the 25. It looks super, super, super small. So if you want to really be happy about your purchase, if you are considering purchase at the speedy between 25, 30 or maybe 35, it's really important for you to either go to the store or either order both if you can, and then try it on at your house and return the one that it won't work for you if the store is like way too far away from you. But it's very, very important, because I was really disappointed when I saw the 25. It's like, wow, it's very, very small, at least for me. I feel like the money wasn't worth it to spending that small. I mean, it's worth it compared with any small leather good, but compared with both of these, $20 difference is not a big deal, but it is a big difference in size, okay? So I didn't try the 25. It was super, super small, little, but it was so small. So I grabbed the 30 and I tried it on, and I love it. I love the size. I think it was great. So like you can see, it's not in person, it's really not big at all. It don't look big at all. So you really need to go to the store and check it out for yourself and try it on to see if it's something that really works for you. I really recommend it. So they didn't have the monogram in the store. That's right, they ordered it for me, and I'm really, really happy I did that purchase. And here it is, especially because it has the Louis Vuitton signature padlock right here. Let me open it. It comes right here with this little pouch. So they have, I see people unboxing that they have the locker in here, but in this case they put it right here. It comes like that. This is the pouch with a zipper. Oh, very nice. It's pretty thick. So this is, you know, the other little papers. It's pretty good pouch. Like, yeah, I mean, it's not super deep, but it's pretty good. You can fit, I feel like, a small card holder or something like that. Very, very nice. So obviously the mouth kind of like an open wire, very big, and it has this thing right here, which is perfect for you know, the key ring or something like that, the key pouch that you hang it from there, something that you want to find very easy. But yeah, guys, this is the back, and that's why I choose this side, because it really, really spoke to me better. I really love it. The mark is not very bad, so I got, let me show you, because I'm gonna put it right now. I got this nice organizer from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link down below just in case you are interested. It have this too. It's very, very affordable, and I like the way that look. As soon as I saw it, I thought it wasn't white enough, but let's see. I just gonna put it right here just like that. It go inside very easily. Let me get close. So, and I just gonna kind of like a shape it up very good. And here we go. This will help to give it shape and keep it in a looking good. So as you guys can see, hopefully this mark can go away fast, and it won't like sag or nothing like that. Let me see. It has multiple pockets. It's very affordable. This insert is very, very nice. Also, the price is very nice too. And the good part is that arrive very fast. Like, it helps to keep the interior clean. Let me know, guys, what you think about this bag. If it's something that you will consider purchase as your first bag, that then the price is amazing for what is everything there, and I really want to purchase it before the price go up again. It's very worth it. It's so pretty, and all I think is like taking care of this and buy iconic pieces like this in monogram and pass it down in the future to my daughter. I see people that have this kind of bag for like 10 years, 5 years, and it's in very neat, beautiful condition, and I really appreciate that. And this is the bag. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a like, thumbs up, share with any of your friends that are interested in purchase one of these bags. Don't forget to smile because you are beautiful. Thank you for watching. Bye.